Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture and this ring, and they want this done. Now that he admitted the picture just off that internet, he just a generic picture, but look at the ring is in front of the gentleman, but he's jumped through it. This is really kind of easy. I never hardly use the knife tool, but in this case, this is going to be our friend. I'm going to get the man, and I'm going to get the knife tool, and I'm going to have an overlap. You can either have an overlap or none or a gap. I want an overlap of just 0.01 of an inch. Now we can probably click on our man and then cut through here. And when we test this, you can see that the man is split in half, but you cannot see it because there's an overlap. That's pretty cool. So now you can bring your ring in and move it around anywhere you want. It'd be almost kind of nice to make it look like he's holding on. So in this case, I put his legs in front. So I grabbed his lower torso and I went to object, order, front of page. And it looks like the ring. And I mean, you could do multiple rings. You could do squares. It doesn't have to be a ring. You know, we could do it with a square. Um, let's put it like a square, like right there. Let's make it no, it's too thick. Let's go 0.1. And see, he's totally behind the square. You know what? I'm going to bring the square down a little bit. So he's totally behind the square, but if we grab the front of the torso or the top order front of page, now it looks like he's inside of a box and jumping out of the box. That's pretty cool. I very seldom ever use the knife tool, but in this case, I don't think you could do it any faster or better. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.